Hello, today we're going to be going over the basic operation of the Karma 360 micro scrubber, designed to replace the mop bucket and wringer. We'll be going over the setup, operation, and storage of the machine, as well as going through all of its components. Okay, to replace the battery, just pop your snaps, pull the lid back, grab the pull tab, pull the battery out. Okay, so this is your Anderson plug right here, very standard in the industrial micro scrubber world. You put that in there. Come in here, you'll see you have 5 bars. We've used this a little bit and it still hasn't drawn down, so 5 bars is not fully charged because you still have a red light. When this light turns green, that way you know 5 bars green, you're good to go. To put it back in, push the tabs apart, drop it in, push it down, close the lid. Be sure to do the snap so in transporting, the lid doesn't hit the ground. The Karma 360 comes with 3 different brush types. Red, white, and blue. Blue's medium, white is soft, red is the harder. To remove the brush, simply snap it back and lift it out. Push it down to put it back in and snap it back. The squeegee, if you need to clean it, you can simply remove it. To put it back in, you simply need to engage the hose cuff, push it back onto the 2 rubber tabs. To fill a water tank, simply unscrew the cap, pour in as much liquid until it's full, or whatever use you're going to have. Simply screw the lid back on, and you're set to go. The Karma 360 has 3 simple controls and no circuit boards. You have vacuum, brush, and solution. The brush, even though it's on, is not activated until you depress the trigger. To operate the Karma 360 when you're in the park position, simply take the knuckle assembly, lift it up, rotate it into the parked position, and now you're ready to operate the machine. When you're done with the machine, simply unlock it, bring it back in the center position, and drop it down, and then it's back in the parked position. When you're finished with the Karma 360, you want to put the unit in an up position to take pressure off the brushes. Simply lift the handle, put it in the lock position, grab both handles on the top, put your foot right here where these little treads are, grab it and pull it up, and you're going to drop it back down in the lock position. Now it's up and ready to transport on its wheels, and it sits up. Be sure you're on a flat surface. So now we're ready to use the Karma 360. So in the solution tank we have water or non-foaming cleaner designed for industrial scrubbers. If you start to see foam, you'll know that you've got a cleaner that doesn't work for this machine. Once we're underway, I'm going to show you a 3 different ways to use the machine, but one thing we do is we watch the Clearview filter. If you have nice water flow, you're going just the right speed. If you're not getting enough water, you're going too fast. So if you go through a flood or a little spill, we're going to throw one out here, you'll see how easy it cleans that up. You want to watch here to see if you're going too fast. But we're going to go where I walk behind the machine because it's totally dry once you go behind it, or you can dance it if you're in a small area. And if you're going through a flood and you don't want to walk through the flood or a spill like that, you're just going to dance it through, and I'll show you how to do that. So now we're going to unlock the machine, put it in its working position, so now it's all ready to go. Turn your vacuum motor on and your brush and solution. In addition, the Karma is equipped with non-marking rollers for easy and safe corner cleaning. So now that we're done with the Karma 360, we have some solution in the tank that we need to remove so you can store the unit. And so what we're going to do is we're going to undo this. You can actually take it to a janitor's closet and dump it. Whatever you want to do, if it's just water, anywhere you like. And then we're going to vacuum it up, which will bring it into the recovery tank, and then we're going to dump the recovery tank. So here we go. So pretty simple. You take this, lock position, and you're going to slowly drain your tank and recover the solution. So now that we're done cleaning with the Karma 360, we're going to take the cleaning solution that was in the solution tank, and that gallon is now in the recovery tank. To remove the recovery tank, come on the back side. We're going to rotate the latch, come on the front side, grab the convenient handle, and we're going to pull that out. Now this is designed so that the handle on the unit can tilt back and you don't flood the vacuum motor. But to drain it, you have to bring it around the other way. and then drain the recovery tank. After you've replaced your recovery tank, secure the latch by turning to the right. One final thing prior to storing your unit. Open this drain and replace this fitting to verify no liquids have bypassed the recovery tank. Transportation is enhanced with oversized wheels and a balanced carry handle. For additional information, contact your nearest Karma 360 dealer.